Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I will be showing you make.com AI agent Telegram setup. So let's just begin. So for this one, what we need to be doing here is first we need to head over to our workflow. So you can see we have many templates to get started with, and the thing is you can get your Telegram in here. So you can click on this plus icon, or you can also click on this add option and search in here for Telegram. And you can see we have our Telegram bot over here, so you can search for Telegram, and this is the one that we are going to be using. So this can help you to simply get yourself a message sent, edit a message, and do all of these stuff. So of course you're going to be needing to provide it your Telegram account for this one. And once you add the node, you can see basically our Telegram is where you can connect it automatically to this node. You can create a connection with your account, so enter in here your Telegram token that you can access from your Telegram account. And before we move to the next step or proceed forward, you can head over to the link in the video description, which is going to be giving you a huge benefit: 1 month completely free pro plan. So that is something that you should be availing. And yeah, so once you create your connection, you can simply automate your Telegram using make.com. And I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.